He hasn't turned a wrench yet. This isn't repair. This is recognition. Standing back, he sees the truth clearly. Bent panels, eaten bolts, damage that won't fix everything. The sound tells him everything. Not steel anymore, just time and corrosion holding shape. He doesn't turn it, he only listens through his hand. Stiff, tired, locked by time. This is where it stands. Not broken beyond hope, just waiting. Forgotten under dust. Under the dirt, the truth waits. Grime comes away easily, what remains does not. Damage clearly now. Not as a warning, but as a promise. The work will be slow.
The chain barely moves. No oil. No life. Rust has taken its time here. Sometimes the work begins with stillness. In the quiet, he lets the weight settle. Dust, times it. The paint doesn't resist. It lets go. Years peel away in silence. Falterings. The rubber is tired. The metal won't move. Nothing here responds to force anymore. There's no shortcut here. No easy win. Just time, effort, and mistakes waiting to be made. And it's work. It's work. It barely moves. No spring left in it. Just resistance and age. He straightens up. Adjusts his jacket. Not because the work is easy, but because it's time. This is the whole story, laid out in one line. Every failure. Every scar. Moment before motion. Two hands. One machine. He grounds himself, not to take control. He steps back and lets it stand alone. This is the before. Quiet. Heavy.
Out of the dark. Into the light. The bike moves for the first time in years, not under power, but under care.
Finds what time tried to hide. Dust loosens. Grime gives way. This isn't relax. Slow strokes. No rush. Years of grime lift without a fight. He isn't scrubbing the packed away. The wheels give up their dirt slowly. Years settle into the water at his feet. It's repetitive work. Repetitive works. Long strokes. Slow hands. The tank remembers its shape, even if the shine is gone. But cleaner. Clearer, enough to know the effort matters. He stands cleaning, but commitment, one bolt at a time. The lifts it cleanly. No forcing. No noise. The seat comes away, making rules. One panel at a time. Nothing rushed. Nothing dropped. Because putting it offers. With the skin removed, the truth stands exposed. He breathes, steady and calm. First, one bolt, then the next. No shortcuts. Precision now saves everything later, and comes away cleanly. Beneath it, wires, brackets, structure. Vulnerable, honest. This is the machine with more honest. Steady hands now. The tank doesn't resist, it yields. Confidence replaces hesitation, bold fortitude. Even now, he cleans as he goes. Long stroke, steady breath. The tank is coming.
He lifts it away completely this time. No resistance, no noise.
Even the smaller pieces get the same respect.
With the layers gone, the frame stands bare and honest. He breathes, slow, saunters.
Even after the shell is gone, the work isn't finished. Brackets, mounts, another layer comes away. Wires, brackets, structure laid bare. With nothing left to hide, with each layer gone, the machine tells more of its story. He steps back to see it whole, more exposed, more tree. The last bolts give way without protest. Slow hands, steady breath, confidence earned. No rush, no strain. He sets it down gently, because what you removed.
The guard comes away cleanly, revealing what's been hidden. Each layer removed.
It doesn't roll freely. Every turn pushes back. He listens to the resistance, not frustration.
The chain finally comes free, heavy, rigid, worn link by link. He lays it out straight, not to
Stripped down, open, honest. He stands still, not to admire, but to understand.
Controls now, the place where hands once guided speed and balance. He loosens the clamps slowly, because even the steering deserves patience.
He lifts them just enough, no strain, no pull. The controls are set aside gently, because even when
To see it clearly, not finished, not broken, becoming. This is the moment.
He stops, lets the silence settle. Metal cools, the workshop breathes.
Up close, the truth is clearer. Rust tells a story. Heat, time, neglect. He's stating.
Rust doesn't disappear all at once. It lets go slowly. Stroke by stroke, flakes fall away.
The metal smooths out under steady hands. Long strokes. Even pressure. This is preparation.
Dust clears. Bare steel shows through, honest and ready. This is the proof of the work so far and the foundation for everything that comes next.
Now the chemistry begins. Not rushed, not flooded, just enough to protect what's been uncovered.
he waits, watches, the metal changes on its own time. Restoration isn't always movement. Sometimes he waits, watches, the metal changes on its own time. Restoration isn't always movement, it's movement.
The reaction is done. He rinses, he dries, no shortcuts. Clean metal, properly treated. The seal finally gives. Slow pressure, no prying. He lifts it clear. Inside, the engine waits, silent, untouched. Soft brush, light solvent, nothing forced. He cleans what time has coated.
Cleaned parts deserve clean order. He sets them down carefully, aligned, spaced, ready. He turns it slowly. At first it resists, then eases, just a little, not fixed. He wipes his hands and steps back into stillness. The engine is open now, cleaner, fuller. Between the fins, years of dust have been hiding. He brushes it out slowly. He lets air do what hands can't, clearing the last traces from tight spaces. Gentle burst. Clean parts need care to move again. He applies fresh lubricant slowly, just enough. He stands and listens. Soft echoes. Metal settling into itself. He doesn't touch it yet. He just follows the cracks with his eyes. Knowing exactly what you're facing is the first. These seals have done their time. He removes them gently. No tearing, no rushing. Worn jets. New seals go in the way they should. Slowly, evenly, without force. This is where purveyor. Even pressure. One bolt at a time. He follows the pattern, not the urge to rush. He steps back to see it whole. Sealed, aligned, holding together again. It's not finish. He wipes again, and the metal answers. Light returns where grime once lived, not polished for sure.